This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade flan. First, gather your ingredients: eggs, milk, sugar, and vanilla. Begin by creating the caramel. In an oven-safe dish, melt about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar over medium heat until it turns a beautiful amber color. Carefully swirl the dish to coat the bottom evenly. This creates the delicious base for your flan. Set it aside to cool and harden slightly while you prepare the custard. Now, let's prepare the creamy custard. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 can of evaporated milk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic flavor. Mix until just combined, being careful not to overwhisk and create too many air bubbles. For an extra smooth flan, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into your caramel-lined baking dish. It's time to bake your flan. Place your baking dish into a larger pan. Carefully pour hot water into the larger pan, creating a water bath that comes about halfway up the sides of your flan dish. This ensures even, gentle cooking. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. Let it cool completely, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours. To serve your delicious flan, run a thin knife around the edges of the dish to loosen it. Place a serving plate upside down over the flan dish, then carefully and confidently invert them together. The rich caramel sauce will cascade down, creating a stunning presentation. Slice and enjoy your homemade masterpiece. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.